Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to hide an app on your iPhone. So if you want to hide an app on your iPhone so it's not visible to other people and only you can access it, you can do that pretty easily by just selecting the app that you want to hide, holding on it until this menu right here appears, selecting Require Face ID, and selecting Hide and Require Face ID. So now it's going to ask for Face ID confirmation, and here you can hide the app, but keep in mind that you won't release notifications and it won't be displayed in the app library, but I'll show you where it is displayed. It's displayed in this hidden folder right here. So you tap on it, then you use your Face ID or passcode to unlock it, and there we go, the app now appears and you can access it. You're going to need Face ID again, and there we go, now we're in WhatsApp, and if I exit it out, the app will disappear from the recently opened apps and it will disappear in the hidden folder. You can access it again by using Face ID. So there we go, and if you want to unhide it, you just hold again and press Don't Require Face ID. Then scan again to confirm, and now the app has been unlocked. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.